Okay, so good. Hello, this is unboxing video. Today figure is this S.H.Figuarts Android 17 Universe Survival Saga. Android 17 of Dragon Ball Super. I waited a long time. The package is this. Back is this. Wow, good posing. I will make and posing. Okay, let's unboxing. Go. Okay, wow, so cool. I like Android 17 of Dragon Ball Super. I like so much. Okay, so great. I'm so excited to meet this figure. Okay, back is this. Yeah, this Android 17's power is same as Super Saiyan Gold, Super Saiyan GOKU. The same power. Okay, now let's check detail. Shoes color is gray. Yeah, so high quality. They are beautiful, beautiful shape, beautiful quality, and jeans style. These points are so real. Good back shape is this, and the front MIR body and arm. What written? Ranger. Yes, Ranger. So design is so good. What is this? I want to compare Dragon Ball Z's Android 17. Okay, let's check movement. Let's go. Neck, down, wow, great. And up. Okay, up is so good. Up is good. Yeah, maybe Android 17 looks super Shenlong. Yes. So he said, I hope all universe come back. Yes. Okay, the arm, wow. This joint is new joint. Arm joint, great performance. And side up, and shoulder, good. And hands, and breast, and waist, and leg. Okay, perfect. And side up, and foot, and toe. Yes, good. Fighting pose. Okay, and other parts is this. Attack effect parts and energy effect parts and face parts are the 3 parts, and head and hand parts are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 type. Okay, let's change face parts. Let's go. The normal face parts is this, and second face parts is this. So cool face. A little laugh. Yes, so good. And third part, this face is good too. Maybe while he battle. And last face part is okay. Fourth face part. First face part is this. Okay, good. So cool face parts and posing. And I changed hair part too. Normal hair type is this, and second hair type is this. Moving hair part. Okay, and wear effect parts, attack effect parts. Okay, good. So cool. So cool posing and using energy effect parts. Oh, let's make posing. Let's go. Okay, I made posing using energy effect parts. Okay, so good. So cool, Android 17 and energy ball. Yes, energy ball part is so high quality, so beautiful. Okay, Now let's compare Android 17 of Dragon Ball Z. Let's go. Okay, this is Android 17 of Dragon Ball Super. So handsome, yes. So cool figure and cool face. So cool. And this is Android 17 of Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, this is younger than Dragon Ball Super's Android 17. Which do you like? Which do you like? I like this side too, but I like Dragon Ball Super's Android 17 is better than this, I think. Which do you like? Please write comment. Dragon Ball Super's Android 17 or Dragon Ball Z's Android 17. Please comment. Okay, face is different, but eye color, blue color is same, and body shape is different. Yes, jeans style is different, shoe style is different, almost different. Same point is hair color. Hair shape is a little different, so straight line, but this is M. Yes, little different. Same point is eye color and hair color. Okay, thank you for watching my video. This figure's quality is great. I like this. Okay, next video is Android 18 of Dragon Ball Super. Okay, please wait. Okay, thank you. If you have a good time on this video, please subscribe and please press get button and please write comment. Thank you. Have a good day. See you next time. Aloha.
Just say, wanna stay in a hotel, champagne and room service all night. Girl, I know this ain't no plaza, but I think we'll be alright. Ooh, come on. Isn't this really what life is all about? Doing what you can to have a good time. But baby, when I'm with you, I have the time of my life. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah.